Adjusting RK15 disc brakes. Two common causes of ineffective braking. The brake pads in the disc brake caliper are worn down. If the brake pads are still in good condition but the brakes still fail to function, inspect the brake cable. Use a 5mm Allen wrench to loosen the adjustment screw. Meanwhile, grip the brake cable firmly with your other hand. As shown in the video, press the loosened screw downward all the way until it stops. Then lift the screw upward by approximately 1 to 2 centimeters and retighten it. Squeeze the front brake lever to check the brake tension. If the braking remains too loose, press the screw down slightly further to adjust. Then tighten the screw again and retest the brake performance.